And good morning, everyone. Our chief guest for this occasion, Honorable MLA Srimati Thirunamu, the guest of honor, Deputy Commander Colonel Mrityunjay, Colonel Abhijit Bangare, CO2 AP Battalion NCC Tawang, Shri Kadim Parveen, Director Secondary Education, Department of Education, and DDSC Tawang, and all the dear participants and the teachers who are present here, and all my colleagues and friends from the district administration. It is my privilege to be here to be able to extend a very warm welcome to all of you to this third edition of the Prime Minister's Youth Camp for Border Areas. This is a very unique and visionary initiative which enables all our young people to engage and experience the frontiers of our nation through a range of activities and instill in them a deeper understanding of our borders. Here in Tawang, as is the case in all our border regions throughout the country, we live with a strong sense of resilience, with pride and responsibility. And with the holding of this camp in this location, all our young participants are being given a rare opportunity to not only witness the state's borders firsthand, but also experience the people and the culture that thrive here. So this camp is a platform for all of our youth to learn, exchange ideas, and experience different cultures and strengthen the bond of unity and diversity which defines our country. And it encourages all of you to promote the values of leadership, teamwork, and above all, a sense of duty towards our country. So I urge all the young participants who are here to fully engage and make the most of this opportunity. Engage wholeheartedly in all the activities that are being organized for you here today and over the next few days. Embrace new friendships that you find here, and also take with you when you go back home the lessons of courage, the lessons of patriotism, discipline and service to our country. Once again, on behalf of the entire district administration, I warmly welcome all our young participants to Tawang, and I hope that this camp leaves you inspired, enriched and determined to work hard to build our nation's future. Thank you. Jai Hind.